Good morning, YouTube. How are you today? You're looking very chipper. Alright. So, I guess this is our first full day in Valencia. It's really wow. It's really echo. It's our first full day in Valencia. And I guess we'll see the city. We don't really know what to expect here. I'm not sure what's here. We're gonna see some cathedrals, I think. I have no idea. So, it's pretty, it's nice, it's really hot. Look at the weather. It's excitingly hot. I'm just playing. Isn't this right? So this really cool park in front of the Museum for Arts and Sciences. It's pretty cool looking. What? It's very pretty. I forgot the theme song. But anyway, it's done. So we're inside the museum. Cool, a lot of activities I'm sure we'll see, but I mean, that's what we'll see. But I don't know what that says. Theater of Electricity, Become a Cadet of Space, I'm not sure, I don't know. Academy of Space, I don't know. Anyway, I think it'll be cool. I don't know what to see, but this area is really amazing. It's impressive.
La Hércules, las hormigas. La hoja de morderle una de esas. No, está metida. La hay hormigas acá. La reina está metida. Pero puede ser que se podrá acabar y...
She looks kind of creepy.
Sono scarpe.